In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively group layers in Adobe After Effects by using pre-compositions. This is a fundamental technique that can help streamline your workflow and keep your projects organized, especially when working with complex animations or multiple elements. So let's go step by step. First, you'll want to focus on the timeline panel in your After Effects project. When you're working with multiple layers, it can sometimes be necessary to group them for easier management and to apply changes uniformly. Start by selecting the layers you want to group. If the layers are next to each other, you can hold down the Shift key on your keyboard to select a range of layers quickly. Alternatively, to select various layers that aren't next to each other, hold down Control if you're on Windows or CMD if you're using a Mac, while clicking each of the layers you want to include in your group. This selection process is quite crucial. It's your first step towards a more organized and manageable project. Once you've carefully selected your layers, the next step is to pre-compose them. Pre-composing allows you to group these layers into a new composition, essentially treating them as a single unit while still being able to edit them independently if needed. To do this, head over to the top menu, click on Layer, and then choose Pre-compose. You can also use a shortcut to streamline this process. Simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus C if you're on a Windows machine, or CMD plus Shift plus C on a Mac. Getting familiar with these shortcuts can significantly speed up your workflow, especially when grouping layers is a common part of your project. After selecting Pre-compose, a dialog box will pop up. Here, you'll have a couple of crucial decisions to make. First, you'll need to give your new composition or group a name. This is an important step, as it helps you easily identify and locate the composition later on, especially in projects with numerous compositions. Next, decide whether you want to move all attributes into the new composition or keep them in place. If you choose to move all attributes, it effectively removes them from the main composition and places them into the nested one. This option is helpful if you want to apply effects or adjustments within the pre-comp separately from your main comp. Once you've made your selections, click OK. Now, back in your main composition, you'll notice that all your previously selected layers are represented as a single, unified layer called the pre-comp. To make individual adjustments to these layers again, simply double-click on the pre-comp layer and it will open up the nested composition where you can work on each layer individually. And that's it. By grouping your layers into a pre-composition, you've not only created an organized and streamlined workflow, but also set up your project for easier future adjustments. This technique is invaluable for managing complex projects efficiently, so keep practicing. And soon enough, you'll be handling even the most challenging animations with ease.